Drink beer, it's good for you.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'll be discussing my new channel Facebook group. Over the years I have seen Facebook as a great place to interact with brewers and my viewers in general. I have had key involvement with a number of Facebook groups, as I'm sure many of you are aware, and used the right way, I believe that it's a great platform for brewers of all levels. The problem has always been that Facebook groups are only as good as their admins and members. There are some key communities out there that are sadly not kept in good order, with admins that are slow to respond to problems, if they do at all. Some groups also suffer with an endless stream of the same posts on repeat because they are too specific in their focus group topic. Another issue is often getting the right information, with new brewers often being very confused by asking a simple enough question and then getting various conflicting answers that then turns away from advice and often towards a war of words between other members. This all too often spirals out of control and becomes something quite nasty. Some of this advice is also really poor, to say the least, and a big part of why I started this channel in the first place. For many, this misinformation is not based on anything negative, it is just homebrewing myths that have been passed down like Chinese whispers. As I see it, a brewer is a brewer, and the whole point of a forum or a group is to offer support, inspiration and interesting discussion. This channel's group, which is aptly named the David Heath Homebrew Group, is brewing specific, just like this YouTube channel. It is a place where mature, friendly and like-minded people can connect, ask questions, share thoughts and ideas, and also help me shape my future video content more closely than ever before with my audience. People and brewers of all experience levels are very welcome, and we firmly believe that there is no such thing as a stupid question, just stupid answers. Some short weeks before this point I opened the group on a small secret invite-only basis to people I know that I felt would be great to have within a group for a nice and friendly atmosphere. Some of these people are also people of great brewing knowledge who are known to be very helpful. This is key as I see it. I have in no way covered everyone that I would love to have join, but talking to and inviting people on this basis proves to be very time consuming, so forgive me if I have not made contact with you. I have also recruited a number of very experienced and truly great people who assist me on an administration and moderator basis. This is vital for a group to ensure that things stay within their intention and ensure a pleasant experience for members. We will simply not keep people who attempt to misbehave and disrupt the group. We have all seen it elsewhere, and it is a pity that it is an issue with many groups. Naturally, we will not allow any of the known troublemakers into this group either. Sadly, we have quite a large list of these already from bad experiences from other groups. We have 10 simple and common sense rules that can be seen on screen now. Obviously, there's also a copy of this in the group. The group at this point has been working really well, and I have received a lot of very warm and great feedback about how people have been enjoying it, so it's now time to open the group up and go more public. We very much hope that you can see the benefit of these rules and the sort of group that they enforce. If you are happy with these rules, then please do pop onto Facebook and search for the group under David Heath Homebrew to apply to join. Alternatively, you can use this URL shortcut shown at the top of the screen here. Or, as shown at the bottom of the screen here, if you search for Brew Beer in Facebook groups, then this will lead you to the group quickly also. Once you have requested an invite, there are some quick questions to answer so that we can be sure of allowing the right people into the group. We will be checking Facebook accounts also, of course. Enough said. We very much look forward to seeing you in the group. This now brings this video to a close. If you have any questions, then please let me know via YouTube or Facebook. I do hope that you found this video to be useful, interesting and enjoyable. If appropriate, then please like this video on YouTube, and if you've not done so already, then please subscribe. I regularly post new content. Happy brewing!